It was a technology that had remained largely unchanged for centuries. Then, a new concept took shape. A smarter solution to personal security, custom-made for a digital age. Founded in Northern California in 1981, Digilock had new plans for the industry. A commitment to keyless lock solutions, resulting in more than 40 years of proven performance, and 290 utility and design patents. They would be technologically advanced, simple to install, and easy to use. From iconic, game-changing design, to next-generation smart locks and cloud management, to the newest battery-free, wireless, and hardwired installations. And in the process, Digilock became the global leader, with a shared mission to deliver unparalleled customer service and support to match our continuous innovation and advancements, allowing customers to install virtually anywhere, manage virtually anywhere, and choose a variety of options designed for each industry. A performance record that has made Digilock known and trusted by some of the world's leading brands. What's next? Let's find out.